Hey everyone, today's video is a crucial update for all businesses and developers out there. A recent supply chain attack has compromised the popular Ripple blockchain tool, xrpl.js, putting thousands of cryptocurrency wallets at risk. So, what exactly happened? The JavaScript library, xrpl.js, used for interacting with the XRP ledger was compromised in versions 4, 2.1 through 4, 2.4 and 14.2. Attackers added a malicious function named to steal private keys and send them to an attacker's domain. The good news, the issue has been patched in versions 4, 2.5 and 2, 14.3. The attacker allegedly stole NPM credentials from a Ripple employee, enabling them to push these malicious updates unnoticed. This is a wake-up call for all businesses, not just those in the crypto world. Supply chain attacks are becoming more common and can affect any business using third-party software. Even if you're not in the crypto space, your business might still be at risk. Your web apps could include NPM or PIPI libraries, and your developers might use compromised tools. A single update can give attackers access to sensitive data or systems. So what can you do? Impress IT Solutions in West Houston recommends immediate action. Stop using the affected versions, upgrade to the patched ones, and rotate any private keys or credentials that may have been exposed. Also, review your systems for unauthorized activity. Impress IT Solutions offers comprehensive protection with software supply chain audits, secure development practices, secrets management, endpoint and cloud monitoring, and employee training. They can help you secure your environment from the inside out. If you think your systems might be at risk, contact Impress IT Solutions in West Houston today. Stay safe, everyone, and make sure your software tools are secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. End.